on.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, I am the iron, slick and smooth. I heat up the beat when I get in the groove. But today I got a problem, can't deny. Been sitting on the seat feeling way too dry. I click like I'm done for pressing threads, not stressing out with bathroom dreads. Steam's running low and the pressure's tight. Trying to go but it just ain't right. Handles twitching, chords in a knot. But the flow I need, man, it just forgot. Grinding and groaning with a metal face. Constipation nation stuck in place. Flake goes the lid, I huff and puff. Iron on the throne, acting tough. But one day soon, I'll break that lock and steam roll out like a ticking clock.